Panoorin uli natin yung the same video for context. Kasi syempre kahapon, baka may mga taong hindi nakapanood ng live stream natin kahapon or nung replay natin nung kahapon. So this time, pakita pa rin natin para syempre medyo malinaw yung konteksto. Oo, ganon. Ito yung part nung sa Al Jazeera documentary. Maikli lang naman siya. It's 2 minutes 52 seconds. Pero itong 2 minutes 52 seconds na ito yung nakapagpagalit kay Alice Go. Yung reaction ng nung voice over parang pati yung mga gumagawa ng documentary, pati sila parang nagulat doon sa nakita nila. Doon sa dossier. Sige, panoorin ulit natin.
Wang spent 5 years in jail battling charges related to credit card fraud before being found not guilty. He says he became good friends with She when they were placed in the same cell. He's now the custodian of many of the tycoon's alleged secrets.
他有在亚太中留下很多那个待解密的那些档案。目前受到他的那个授权所解密的那些内容只是部分的内容而已，但是这些内容涉及到了那些国安人员的名单。
He allows us to take a look. One file in particular catches our attention.
ID na Alice Go.
It's a dossier about Guo Huaping or Alice Guo, former fugitive and embattled ex-mayor of a small town in the Philippines. Now in police custody, Guo is being investigated for alleged ties to scam operations and money laundering. He's also accused of being a Chinese spy. She says Guo once asked him to help fund her political campaign. Guo has
yun yung testimonial evidence niya. Ni She Xinjiang. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. Basta She. Sabi niya, I used my handler's mobile phone to speak to Guo Huaping from the Philippines. Testimonial evidence yan Testimonial evidence yan. Nakausap niya mismo si Guo Huaping, also known as Alice Go. Nakausap niya mismo sa telepono. Anong ginagawa? Bakit niya nakausap? Humihingi daw siya ng pera pang kampanya. What a coincidence! Tumakbo ng mayor si Alice Go. Oo, what a coincidence! Pero anong sinabi ni She Xinjiang? I really did not want to offend the government of the Philippines, kaya hindi niya binigyan. In other words, ay parang ayoko yatang makatrouble ang Pilipinas for now. Yan yung testimonial evidence. Ito naman yung documentary evidence. Ayan yung documentary evidence, guys. Ayan yung documentary evidence. ID ni Alice Go or Guo Huaping. Si Guoping. Ngayon, ang kailangan na lang natin gawin, mga kotsero, para malaman kung authentic yan, kailangan natin gawin ng Pilipinas is to get it recognized by the Chinese government. Oo. Papa-apostille mo yan. Kaso may problema ka. Sinong gobyerno na nagpadala ng espiya ang aamin na meron silang espiya sa bansa mo? Kung tutuusin, pwede na nga kasuhan to si Alice Go as a spy, foreign spy.
She says Guo once asked him to help fund her political campaign. Guo has repeatedly insisted she was born in the Philippines, a prerequisite for office holders in the country. But She's dossier lists China as her place of birth. Guo had previously claimed she's the daughter of a Filipino woman. But according to this document, her mother is a Chinese citizen called Lin Wenyi.
Lin Wenyi.
The dossier also lists a family address in China's Fujian province.
You know?
This is what our researcher finds when he visits the local office of the Chinese Communist Party. At a nearby village, residents shown photographs of Guo recognize her as the daughter of Lin Wenyi, the same name that appears in She's dossier. They say Guo was born here and only moved away towards the end of 2002. She says he has a message for the former mayor.
No, may message daw.
跟我舍不得性的，我们两个你看看，曾经都为这个国安部卖命，你看看我的下场。要想不必灭口呢，就把真相呢，就告诉全世界。
China's Ministry of State Security did not respond to our request for comment. Neither did Alice Guo Huaping.
Yun lang yung segment ni yun lang yung segment dyan ni Alice ko. Yung part lang na yun. Pero, nung si nung si Nograles na, nung si Congresswoman Migs Nograles na ang nag-interpellate. Ay, wala. Doon sumabog si Doon sumabog si Guoping. Panoorin natin.
So, ito. Wala kang kilala dito.
Sa tatlo po, ni isa po wala po akong kakilala, Your Honor.
Bilis
So,
tumanggi
ito, nandito si Shezi Zhang when he was saying, Mr. Chair, na dito siya na-recruit sa Pilipinas as a spy. Baka iisa lang pala ang nagre-recruit sa kanila, hindi natin alam, no? And again, babalik natin doon sa picture na pinakita sa video. Yung next slide, please.
Yun,
And,
yan.
Again, you confirm this is not you, Miss Alice Guo?
Your Honor, hindi po ako yan.
This is not you. Okay. Ang katanungan ko, Miss God, because you're saying that hindi mo kilala at dedemanda mo, ano naman mabe-benefit din nitong si Shezi Zhang to name you?
Your Honor, I think
Yan
it's better for you to ask him. Kasi siya po yung naglabas ng video. So siya po nakakaalam ano yung makakapag-benefit po sa kanya. Definitely, hindi po ako spy.
Triggered si ate. Na-trigger si ate. Tinawanan na lang ni Kong Migs eh. May gigil guys eh. Oo, gigil siya. Yan tuloy na paghalataan ka.
Okay. Relax ka lang. Bakit ka galit?
Kasi po, ganun din po yung nangyari last time. Sinasabi po nila spy ako. Mahal ko pong Pilipinas. Filipino po ako, hindi po ako spy.
Pilipino po ako, hindi po ako spy. Nagkataon lang, may idea ako ng Chinese Communist Party.
Okay, relax lang. Relax ka lang. Diba? You don't have to be so riled up if you know the truth. Right? So, you categorically will keep denying
Uncomfortable
what
siya, oh.
Shezi Zhang is saying. Right? He mentions na pinanganak ka sa Fujian, China. And na nanay mo si Lin Wenyi.
Lin Wenyi.
Correct?
Allegations po niya yun, Your Honor.
And who is Lin Wenyi?
Your Honor, Lin Wenyi is the partner of my father. And about my citizenship naman po, I think there is already
I'm not asking
court
anything about your
na po.
citizenship. I'm just asking who
Yun.
Lin Wenyi is. Pinapangunahan mo ako sa mga questions ko.
Huli ka, Balbon. Guilty siya eh. Masyado nang... At dito, na siya. Wala, sunog na siya dito. Hindi na siya, baka patayin na ng Chinese Communist Party to. Magulat na lang tayo, one morning, patay na si Alice Guo. Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Hindi na siya pagkakatiwalaan ng Chinese Communist Party. Wala na. Kasi up to this point, mga kotsero, pwede pa siyang tumanggi. Up until this point, pwede pa siyang tumanggi nung una. Kaso, dito wala na. Wala na, nasunog na niya yung sarili niya. Sinunog niya actually yung sarili niya. Napakalaking pagkakamali talaga, nalala natin si Digong. Pero let's just hope na maging maganda at maging maayos itong mga susunod pang hearing. At sana marami pang ma-reveal. Sana marami pang ma-reveal, mga kotsero. Kasi mukhang delikado na itong ginagawa ng China sa Pilipinas. Oo. Hindi na lang nila sinasakop yung ating mga karagatan. Sinasakop na nila pati yung lupa. Oo. Dadaanin tayo sa divide and conquers. Kaya dapat mag-ingat na tayo, guys. Anyway, mga kotsero, maraming po salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, meron pa tayo live stream mamaya. And I'll see all of you in the next live stream. God bless and see you next time, guys. Bye! Pag ganun, huwag natin gawing tanga mga Pilipino. Mas maganda kasi nasa lugar ka ng tama kaysa yung pinipilit mo yung pagkakamali. Are they willing to go that far? Hindi makakalimutan ng Pilipino yan hanggat di nasasagot niya. Sino ngayon nagsasabi ng totoo?